on my desktop, and I'm going to show you two different methods how you can get Microsoft Office for free. The first one uses your browser, and so whether you're using, say, Windows 10, whether you're using Mac, or whether you're using Linux or Chrome OS, whatever operating system you use, you'll be able to take advantage of this. So let's open up I'm going to open up the Chrome browser here, and I'm going to go into incognito mode. And what I'm going to do is we're going to go to the website office.com. So office.com is how you're going to get to be able to use Office for free. So on the office.com website, you'll see two different options. One is Get Office. The other option is Sign In. Now, if you click on Get Office, that's a marketing site where you could purchase the offline version of Office, or you could purchase a subscription. But I mentioned that we want to get free Office, and to get free Office, what we're going to do is we're just going to click on Sign In. Okay, so make sure you click on the button that says Sign In, and once we do that, we're going to get the Sign In prompt. Now, if you don't have a Microsoft account, don't worry. It's very easy to create one, and creating an account is entirely free. It doesn't cost you anything to create an account. I happen to already have one. If you have a Skype account, if you have any other type of account, you already have a Microsoft account. So I'm going to go ahead and type in one of my demo accounts that I have, so kevstrat2@outlook.com, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Next. And now it wants me to enter my password, so we're going to go ahead and type in my password. You can click on Keep Me Signed In if you don't want to sign in again in the future. And so what this will do now is this drops me off on the office.com website.